Unlocking the phrase, come into the frame. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression, come into the frame. This phrase is rich in meaning and usage, and understanding it can add a wonderful layer to your English communication skills. Let's explore it together. Come into the frame literally refers to entering into the field of view of a camera or another device that captures images. Imagine someone taking a photo or filming, and you are asked to step into the area that the camera is pointing at. This is the most straightforward interpretation, often used in photography and filmmaking contexts. Beyond its literal meaning, come into the frame can be used metaphorically to describe someone or something becoming part of a situation, discussion, or consideration. It suggests entering into the scope or focus of something, be it a conversation, a project, or any scenario where attention is being directed. Example in context. Imagine a team discussing potential candidates for a project. If someone suggests a new candidate, that person comes into the frame as a possibility. It's about becoming a part of the picture in a figurative sense. To help you grasp how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. With the new evidence presented, another suspect has come into the frame for the investigation. As we expand our business, new markets will come into the frame for our marketing efforts. When discussing solutions for climate change, renewable energy sources inevitably come into the frame. Understanding the context is key to using this expression effectively. It's about recognizing when something or someone becomes relevant or enters into consideration. Come into the frame is a versatile expression with both literal and figurative uses. It beautifully captures the idea of entering into a field of view or becoming a part of something larger. Whether you're talking about photography, discussions, or any scenario where focus shifts, this phrase can enrich your English communication. We hope this exploration helps you frame your thoughts and expressions more vividly. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.